Hey, we're gonna do a burp contest. This is a riverafunk show.
Yes, we're doing a burp contest, but it's coming up really fast.
I'm Rivera.
I'm Funk.
And then we're the riverafunk show.
Okay, this is our burp contest. So now we'll let Natalie go first.
Okay, hold on, let me get.
That was weird.
That was it. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'll try again. Your turn.
Hold on. Oh, dang it, that was it!
We just drank like that big of a soda.
Yeah, I know,
and
so it wasn't really that big.
So we're trying to get like pumped up again.
Yeah.
Hold on, my turn again. Nothing. Yeah.
Oh, that was a better one.
Okay, I have to beat that one. I have to beat that.
Okay.
Oh.
I'm the winner.
I don't mean to.
Okay, keep going. Jump, get the.
Hold on. So coming.
Okay. That was a long one. Okay. Okay. I think that's about it. Hold on. Okay. So tell us online who. Hold on. That was gross. I'm sorry. That was big. That was my big one that I needed to come up.
Mine's is still in my body.
Mine came out.
Oh. That was it.
Okay. Well, is
Comment
that
us.
it?
Yeah, I think.
Okay, that's a burp contest.
Okay. No, hold on.
Okay, well that's our burp contest, and I think I'm the winner.
No, I think I'm the winner. That last one was
definitely
pretty
me.
good.
No, my last one was way better.
No.
Yes. Okay. Well,
No.
anyways, we need your help to judge us.
Yeah.
Tell us who you think is the winner, Rivera or Natalie. I mean,
That's her sister's name.
Rivera or Funk. Okay, Rivera Funk, Rivera.
Funk is the one with the funky hair.
Yes.
Just kidding. And then Rivera is the one with the black hair.
Yeah, Rivera Funk, okay?
Rivera?
Tell us who you think is the winner of the wonderful burp contest. Yes. Click on the next one or next episode or anything if we have one out. We'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye. And remember, comment so we can make another video saying the winner and we can just fight. You ready? Thanks for watching.
Peace.